Crocodiles are living links to the age of dinosaurs, a group of reptiles that has changed little for millions of years. From riverbanks and mangrove swamps to coastal estuaries, these armored predators use silent patience and explosive speed to capture prey. Their eyes and nostrils sit high on the skull so they can watch and breathe while almost invisible in the water. Different species vary in size, snout shape, and behavior. Some prefer freshwater lakes, others tolerate salty seas. Crocodiles are keystone predators that shape ecosystems, and many face threats from habitat loss and hunting. Over the next chapters, we'll meet 7 remarkable species, learn what makes each one unique, and why they matter to nature and people. The American crocodile favors brackish water and tropical coastlines from Florida to northern South America. Compared with some cousins, it is relatively slender and long-snouted, which helps it catch fish and fast-moving prey. These crocodiles are often more wary of humans than other species and are known to bask on mangrove roots and sandy beaches. They have specialized salt glands that let them tolerate seawater better than many freshwater species. Nesting usually occurs on sandy banks where females carefully guard their eggs until they hatch and even help transport hatchlings to water. Conservation efforts in protected estuaries have helped some populations recover, but coastal development and pollution remain challenges. The Cuban crocodile is famous for its stocky build, powerful limbs, and surprisingly terrestrial habits. Native to Cuba's freshwater wetlands, it can make short, rapid runs on land to pursue prey, behavior less common in other crocodiles. Its rough, sandpaper-like skin and strong jaws help it tackle turtles, fish, and mammals that venture too close. Historically persecuted for its skin and meat, the Cuban crocodile is now endangered and survives in small, protected pockets and captive breeding programs. Scientists study its biology closely because its distinctive behavior and genetics reveal how crocodile species diversify in island environments. Morelet's crocodile lives in the freshwaters of Mesoamerica, rivers, lagoons, and marshes, where it blends into muddy banks. Smaller than many tropical crocodiles, it relies on camouflage and patient waiting to ambush fish, amphibians, and small mammals. Females build mound nests from vegetation and keep watch during the critical hatching period. Because of habitat loss and past hunting, Morelet's populations declined, but conservation efforts and protected wetlands have helped their numbers stabilize in parts of their range. Their relatively modest size and secretive nature make them important yet often overlooked members of wetland ecosystems. Also called the marsh crocodile, the mugger is a familiar sight in rivers, reservoirs, and irrigation canals across South Asia. Its broad snout is ideal for crushing turtles and gripping larger prey, and it is an adaptable hunter that takes fish, birds, and mammals. Muggers are excellent diggers and often excavate burrows to shelter from heat or drought, a behavior that helps them survive seasonal changes. They nest on riverbanks or sandbars and show parental care, guarding eggs and sometimes helping hatchlings reach water. Because they live close to people and farmland, mugger conservation focuses on balancing human needs with habitat protection. The Nile crocodile is an iconic apex predator across sub-Saharan Africa, capable of taking large mammals that come to drink. With a heavy body, strong tail, and legendary bite force, it excels at ambush hunting from river edges and shallow water. Nile crocodiles have complex social behaviors like basking hierarchies and coordinated hunting in some situations, and they can grow to formidable lengths that command respect. Humans and crocodiles have coexisted for millennia, sometimes with conflict. But modern conservation and sustainable management are crucial to protect both communities and healthy crocodile populations. Found in the Orinoco River Basin, the Orinoco crocodile is one of South America's largest crocodilians, and today is among the most threatened. Historically hunted for its skin and squeezed by habitat change, it now survives in fragmented populations where careful protection and captive breeding are helping recovery. Orinoco crocodiles grow large, with strong jaws adapted to capture fish and medium-sized mammals, and they play a vital role in riverine food webs. Conservationists emphasize protecting nesting beaches and freshwater habitat to give this striking species a chance to rebound. The saltwater crocodile is the planet's largest living reptile and a true master of salt and fresh waters across the Indo-Pacific. Their powerful bodies and broad snouts let them tackle a wide range of prey, from fish to large mammals, and their ability to travel long distances by sea has given them a wide distribution. Males are highly territorial and can be aggressive, while females invest heavily in nest protection during egg incubation. Saltwater crocodiles' adaptability has helped them survive in remote mangroves, river mouths, and coastal lagoons, but human conflict and habitat loss still threaten local populations.